Welcome to UpperKey. Join us on a quick journey through our successes, innovations, and vision for the future. In response to the pandemic, UpperKey swiftly adapted, ensuring uninterrupted revenue for property owners and prioritizing health and safety, which allowed us to retain trust and expand our portfolio. 2023 marked our strategic launch into Dubai, with plans to reach more major cities in 2024. Embracing digital tools has propelled our growth and operational efficiency. Our team, key to our success, is expanding rapidly, embodying professionalism and dedication. We're committed to fostering strong relationships with property owners through responsive, customized service. Our enhanced digital presence has attracted a wider clientele. With a focus on personalized service and innovative amenities, we strive to offer memorable guest experiences. We've achieved a 60% revenue growth compared to 2022 and a 90% in occupancy rates, setting us up for continued success and expansion. We continue to diversify into new urban markets, including Dubai. UpperKey is poised for continued growth and property management innovation. Thank you for being a part of our journey towards redefining property management excellence. Reach out to UpperKey and let's thrive together.